So this screencast is going to show you how to create an assignment in PowerSchool Learning, something that you want your students to be able to submit a document off of Google Drive or complete a different task that you want connected to your gradebook. So I need to get to PowerSchool Learning. I've actually bookmarked it up at the top of my page for easy access. It goes directly to my honors geometry page, which I set up last year and have imported some different classes. Actually, I guess it goes right to my dashboard here. So I'm going to click on honors geometry. And so my page isn't really quite complete yet, but I do have the ability to set up some assignments. So I'm going to go under the Activities tab and click on Assignments. And this particular assignment is getting started. It's their first assignment of the year and it's trying to acclimate them on some parts of, I did that kind of quickly, some parts of their Chromebook that I want them to be able to use, being able to go onto their online textbook and different apps that they have to log into. So I'm going to be adding an assignment. And that's the title of it, Getting Started. Assignment number 1. And they're going to be uploading some things for me. Now I can type a few things in here if I'd like, attach some references, but instead I'm just going to go all the way down to the bottom here. I have the option to, I want to say when it's due, and this assignment is due on the 24th. I want to create assignment for all of the sections to submit the work online. I do want to save it in my gradebook, and I think this is a 5-point assignment. I don't think I want to select that. Who knows? We'll take a look at the end. I'm going to attach from my Google Drive. And there it is right there, getting started. I'm going to select it. Now, here is where you might want to consider how you want to give it to your students. I have the read-only version, let them comment, collaborate, things like that. A lot of the stuff I do, I end up making a handout. I select this little box right there, and that automatically makes a copy for them in their drive. I think a lot of my students think that there's something sacred about that copy and that I can tell if they've shared it from somebody else, but there really isn't. So I'm going to make a copy. This handout feature is kind of nice, and I'm going to save it. So students will then have the ability to, at the end of this assignment, this will actually appear in their calendar, and at the end of the assignment, they will be uploading to this piece. Now, I did give directions to them in this assignment and how to upload, which is part of this page right here. So if I can make this a little bigger here, but I'll kind of show you how I directed them to do that. The final step of this whole project is that they have to be able to upload to that piece. So that'll be a different screencast, but you can kind of take a look at how I directed them to do that. Hopefully you find this to be helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.